If you're someone who spends a lot of time going through terms and conditions before signing up for a service or making a purchase, then the TNC Summarizer AI might just be the tool you've been waiting for. This newly released AI software has the potential to revolutionize how we understand lengthy legal documents, but before you dive in, let me break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. First, let's talk about what this software actually does. TNC Summarizer AI uses advanced machine learning to automatically summarize the key points in terms and conditions documents. Gone are the days of skimming through pages of dense legal language. This AI tool condenses it into an easily digestible summary, saving you time and mental energy. It focuses on providing you with the most relevant details so that you don't miss any critical clauses. One of the best features of TNC Summarizer AI is its ability to highlight potential red flags. If there's something suspicious or potentially harmful in the terms and conditions, the software flags it, making it easy for you to spot potential risks before committing to anything. This is especially useful for anyone who's wary of hidden fees, data privacy issues, or restrictive terms that could harm you down the line. Another standout feature is its accuracy. This AI is constantly improving, with the technology adapting based on user feedback. It doesn't just throw out vague summaries, it picks up on nuances in the language and provides a highly relevant and specific summary of what's actually in the document. This gives you more confidence when reviewing contracts or agreements. Now, while the TNC Summarizer AI is incredibly efficient, it's also user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate the software. The interface is straightforward, upload a document, and the AI does the heavy lifting. If you're someone who regularly needs to read legal documents but doesn't have the time to sift through all the details, this software is a real game changer. The software is also designed with privacy in mind. All the documents you upload are processed securely, and your data is not stored or shared without your consent. This means you can rely on it without worrying about your personal information being exposed or misused, which is a huge deal for those concerned about privacy. One thing I really appreciate about this software is the speed. The summarization process happens almost instantaneously. You don't have to wait around for hours to get the key points from a long, dense document. In fact, it's one of the fastest tools I've tested in this category. For busy professionals, this speed is a massive advantage. Finally, let's talk about accessibility. While it's a fairly new tool, TNC Summarizer AI is available for a free trial. You can try it out from the first link in the description below and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Whether you're an individual or a business, this software helps streamline the document review process, especially for contracts, agreements, and other legal terms you come across daily. So, in conclusion, if you deal with terms and conditions on a regular basis, this software could significantly reduce your stress. With its easy-to-use interface, fast summarization process, privacy-focused features, and accuracy, TNC Summarizer AI is definitely a tool to keep an eye on. As someone who's tested thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this one's worth your time. Make sure to check out the link below for your free trial, and if you're looking for other amazing AI tools, I've got a list of my top recommendations in the description as well. Don't miss out. Give TNC Summarizer AI a shot today.